Alright guys, in this video we're going to look at finding unit rates a little bit more. More specifically, we're going to address what does dividing tell me, specifically what direction should I divide. This is a really common mistake that middle schoolers make when trying to find unit rates is they don't know which way to divide. So we're going to offer you a few visualizations here to hopefully let you understand what's happening when we find a unit rate. So let's get started. So if I have this situation here where I have 6 cookies that cost $3, there are actually two different unit rates that you can find. One of them would be cookies per dollar. So basically that's asking how many cookies do I get for $1. So if you're looking at the picture here, we can kind of visualize how this unit rate works. So basically I want to know how many cookies does $1 cover. So if I'm looking at the picture and if I group my cookies into $1 each, so I'm basically creating groups of $1. So there's $1, here's another dollar, and here's the third dollar. So each dollar covers 2 cookies. So I can buy 2 cookies with each of those dollars. And that's basically what cookies per dollar means. It's how many cookies do I get for just one of those dollars. And to find that, we're using division, just like we use division for all of our unit rates. So it's 6 cookies for $3. We're looking cookies per dollar. So we divide these 6 cookies by the $3. We're putting them in 3 groups. So we're dividing by the $3. So 6 cookies divided by $3 is 2 cookies per dollar. So I get 2 cookies per dollar. That's the unit rate. So I get 2 cookies per dollar. Now what if I were to reverse this situation? I still have the 6 cookies that cost $3, but now I want to know how many dollars per cookie. How many dollars per cookie is it? So now I'm going to put these into groups of 1 cookie. So now my unit is just cookies. So if I put this into groups of 1 cookie, how many dollars does each cookie cover? It looks like it's about half of $1. So every cookie covers half of one of the dollars. So that's a half of $1 there to cover that 1 cookie. So to find that unit rate, we're going to take the $3 and divide it into 6 groups, or the 6 cookies. So we're going to get 3 divided by 6, and 3 divided by 6 is 0.5, or 1/2. And since we're talking about money, 0.5 is 50 cents. So we write it like this, 50 cents per cookie. Do you see the difference between these two unit rates? One was asking how many cookies do I get for $1, and this one was asking how many dollars does it cost for just 1 cookie. It's kind of hard to wrap your mind around it, but hopefully these pictures can help. Let's take a look at another one. If I get 5 donuts for $2, again, there are 2 unit rates we can find, and one of them is donuts per dollar. So how many donuts do I get for just $1? So again, I'm going to put these into groups of $1, and if I group these, how many donuts are covered with $1? It looks like about 2.5 donuts are covered with just one of those dollars. Each dollar covers 2.5 donuts. So that unit rate would be 5 donuts divided by the $2. So 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So we get 2.5, or 2.5 donuts per dollar. So we can buy about 2.5 donuts for every dollar. So again, let's flip the situation, and I've got 5 donuts for $2 again, but now I want to know how many dollars per donut is it? See, I'm even messing it up in my head. Dollars per donut. So how many dollars does just 1 donut cost? So now I'm going to put my group as 1 donut. So if I create groups of 1 donut each, I want to know how much of $1 does each donut account for? How much of $1 is each donut? Well, it's kind of hard to tell there. It looks like it's a little less than a half. It's less than half of $1 that 1 donut covers. So division again is going to tell me I'm going to divide the $2 into 5 groups, into those 5 donuts. So 2 divided by 5 is 0.4. And again, since we're talking about money, this is going to be 40 cents per donut. So again, see the difference between these two unit rates. It really matters which way you divide when you're finding a unit rate. Here we wanted to know donuts per dollar. How many donuts does $1 pay for? And here we wanted dollars per donut. How much does it cost for just one donut? Now it can get confusing, but just let the words tell you which direction to divide there, and hopefully that'll help you out. Okay? Thanks.